Loosen the headgear straps from the forehead support area and remove the headgear clips from the mask. 2. Apply the mask on the patient from the top of their head. Fix the mask on the patient and ensure that the mask rests in the correct position. It must not rest on the nasal bone area. It should be placed on the soft tendon between the nasal bone and forehead, lowest point of the nasal bridge. 3. After placing correctly, tighten the forehead headgear straps until it just fits. Do not over-tight. 4. Reclip the headgear clips on the mask and tighten the Velcro on both the sides. Make sure the pressure is equal on all 4 headgear Velcro straps. 5. Over-tightening the mask can cause DAPU, device-associated pressure ulcer, on the skin of the patient. 6. Press the angular kink on the mask. If it is able to be pressed, the mask is applied correctly. If it is fixed and it does not get pressed, the headgear is too tight and must be loosened.